Sometimes I'll get a customer like this guy here. He's just a real pain in the ass. Wants you to fix every little thing. He asked me to fix this down here, and I'm like, I don't really see what's wrong with it. It's got good water drainage. It's got good ventilation. Let's just leave it. But after talking to him, he just doesn't want the road noise, you know, and I get that. So if it interferes with your bangers, so we're just gonna go ahead and fill these in real quick. What he don't know won't hurt him.